Hello students, today I'm going to start the lesson Champion Dogs. So this lesson is about the championship called Canine Idol and all types of breeds are participating in this competition. So let's read the lesson to know who will be the winner. It had been a long night for our four-legged friends. Some of them had been waiting from as early as 6 o'clock the previous evening. It was 7 a.m. and as the hour of 9 approached, everyone was getting tense. So here are four-legged friends. Those are dogs. They were waiting in the venue from as early as 6 o'clock the previous evening. And the next day 7 a.m. approached and they were eagerly waiting for 9 o'clock because Canine Idol that competition is going to start on 9 o'clock. The queue, dear friends, was for the auditions of Canine Idol, a contest to choose the dog with the best looks and the best bark. So, here all the dogs are standing in a queue for the auditions of Canine Idol. And here in this contest, the dogs are chosen based on the best looks and the best barks. Dogs from all over the world had been waiting in line for a chance to try and win the contest. They were big dogs, small dogs, hairless dogs, furry dogs, household pets, and even hunting dogs. So Max, the Alsatian, was first in line. Other than his original role of keeping sheep, he had been developed into a companion dog known for his loyalty to his master. Being the most sociable, he started the conversation with the other participants. So Max, the Alsatian, that dog was first in the line. He was very sociable, he was very friendly with other dogs, and mm, and he started the conversation first. So he was known for the role of keeping sheep, and later he became a companionship because of his loyalty. I suggest, said Max, since we are all here for the same reason, let's introduce ourselves before we even know. It will be time for the gates to open. So he said that so we all are participating for the same cause, for the same competition. So let's introduce ourselves before the gates get open. That means before the competition starts, let's introduce ourselves. Me first, said bold and stylish poodle Sheba. Perfectly groomed, she marched to the top of the line. Although I am white, my brothers and sisters are black. So next, so poodle, okay, that dog. So she was called Sheba. Her name was Sheba, and she was perfect and she was stylish, perfectly dressed up. She was in the line after Alsatian. So she said, I'm in white color, but my brothers and sisters are in black. We come with wide range of colors. My forefathers, she continued, were famous circus performers in Germany, and the poodle is the national dog of France. She said, so her forefathers, her grandparents, great grandparents were all circus performers, and poodle is the national dog of France. I'm Spot, said the intelligent and friendly Dalmatian, and we Dalmatians are always white with black spots. My relatives and I have acted in two children's movies, 101 Dalmatians and 102 Dalmatians. So he said, I'm Spot. So next in the line were Dalmatians. So he said, so he acted in two movies, that is 101 Dalmatians and 102 Dalmatians with her with their relatives. So since we are known for our speed and endurance, we were able to cope with the long hours spent shooting the film. However, he added, we have to keep exercising to stay fit. So they'll stay for the long hours in the in the shooting hours. So they they keep on exercising to keep their body fit. Labby, the gentle and reliable Labrador, spoke next. I belong to a little boy in England, but will be going to take care of his blind grandfather in Australia after the competition. So next in the line was Labrador. So he spoke next. He was very gentle and very soft. So he belonged to a little boy in England. So his owner was a little boy in England, but he left the little boy, and now he's taking care of his blind grandparents who are in Australia after the competition. Well, said the proud Pekingese, I'm Chu and I come from China. We are royal dogs. My owner says I always want his attention. That's true because I am devoted, faithful, and affectionate towards him right now. He continued, I wish time would pass quickly because it is very difficult to breathe in such hot weather. So next in the line was Pekingese. So his name was Chu and he came from China. They belong to the royal families. So usually royal families they keep this type of dog. So his owner he always says that the dogs needs the owner attention, and those dogs are very devoted, affectionate, and loyal, faithful towards their owner. So they can't stand up to breathe in hot weather. This made the other dogs look towards the clock near the door, and they realized it was almost 8. There was only an hour to go. So, when they were introducing themselves, suddenly they saw on the wall clock. So, it was 8, and still there is 1 hour. Scampy, the playful, fun loving golden retriever, spoke. My parents are in Scotland, but I am the playmate of a lonely little boy in New Delhi. Being patient, obedient, and very intelligent, Scampy was the perfect friend. So, next is Scampy, who was a golden retriever in the line. So, he said, my parents are in Scotland and I am the playmate. So he used to play with a lonely boy who is alone who is alone in Delhi. That boy is alone in New Delhi. So he is very obedient, intelligent, and a perfect friend. Louis the royal looking Doberman said, I belong to a policeman and his family in Germany, and I am known for being fearless, loyal, and obedient. I'll protect them at all cost. So next in the line was Louis, so Doberman. Oh, royal looking Doberman. I belong to a policeman. So Doberman said he belongs to a policeman family in Germany. And this Doberman is very fearless, loyal, and obedient, and this dog will protect his master at any cost. Roberto, the Mexican Chihuahua, was so tiny that he couldn't seen that so he couldn't be seen, he could only be heard. So this Mexican Chihuahua was the tiny dog and it couldn't be seen, he could only be heard. So Bruno, the strong and powerful English bulldog, came in from the shade where he was standing. Like others of his breed, he disliked this heat. He came forward to have a look at Roberto, who was trying to jump out of his master's pocket. Roberto helped. Bruno looked a little bored. So this Roberto, it is a Mexican Chihuahua and it is very tiny in size. So Bruno is a bulldog. It is a English bulldog, and he doesn't like standing in hot weather. So suddenly the clock struck 9. So these were the two small, two small little dogs. That is Roberto, the Mexican Chihuahua, and the Bruno, the English bulldog. Suddenly the clock struck 9. A bell rang. A bit of confusion followed as the participants dropped in the auditions of Canine Idol. So suddenly it struck 9 in the wall clock and a bell rang. So a bit of confusion started among the participants. So all the judges are ready. So they are celebrity dogs. So who are they? They were Pongo and Perdita from 101 Dalmatians, Spike from Tom and Jerry Show, and Bo the Obama's doggy, former US President Obama's doggy. So who are the celebrity dogs now? So one is, who are the celebrity dogs? They are judges now. So they are Pongo and Perdita from 101 Dalmatians, Spike from Tom and Jerry, and Bo the former President Obama's doggy. It took some time as the nervous contestants made their way one by one on the stage. Each of them showed their talents. They walked the ramp in style. They barked loudly and softly. They showed off how they can be friendly and how they can be scary. So they were all groomed and talented. So one by one, now all the participants showed their talents. Say they came in a ramp style, so they walked on a ram in style. So they barked very loudly, softly, and they shown how can be they friendly and how can be they very scary. So they were all well dressed and very talented. So after seeing this, the audience applauded. The crowd was going wild. Bravo, brilliant, they shouted. So all the audience, they applauded with great cheer, and they were very happy. The judges looked confused, not knowing what to do. So it came as no surprise when they made this announcement at the end of the show. Here what they said. Now all the judges, they become very confused after seeing their talents. So they announced, okay, what they announced: for the first time in the history of the contest, we are declaring each and every participant the winner. They are all champions. Each of them is the canine idol. Congratulations, thank you for watching, good night, see you next year. So what they said, for the first time in the history, so what they are declaring, they are declaring every participant a winner. So they are all champions. So each of the dog is canine idol, and they said yes, all participants are winners today. So they said thank you for watching, and they congratulated all the doggies, and they went off. So hope you have understood this.